In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Google Trends for combining evergreen and trendy content effectively and efficiently. This powerful tool helps you understand which topics have staying power and which ones are part of fleeting trends, allowing you to strategize your content mix for the best of both worlds. Let's dive into it. First, open your browser and navigate to Google Trends. You can easily find it by performing a quick search. Once you're on the home page, look for the Explore button and click on it. This is your gateway to the vast landscape of data Google Trends offers. You'll want to enter some of your content or product topic ideas into the search bar. Consider categories that might be evergreen, like yoga, alongside those that could be trendy, such as Pilates challenge. Type these in and press enter to explore their data in more detail. Now, it's important to adjust your time frame to glean the best insights. In the top right corner of the page, use the drop-down menu to select past 5 years. This option will help you gauge long-term stability, indicative of evergreen content potential. Conversely, choosing past 90 days provides insights into more recent trends, helping identify what's currently surging in popularity. Once you set your preferences, look at the interest over time chart. This graph will display the data visually. For evergreen topics, you'll notice a steady line across the timeline, possibly with a gentle upward slope if it's gaining popularity slowly over time. Trendy topics, on the other hand, often show sharp spikes that may fade away just as quickly. To further refine your strategy, you can compare multiple topics by using the plus compare feature. This is particularly useful when you want to see several related keywords side by side. You'll get a clearer picture of which topics are long-term players and which are short-term sensations. A handy tip here is to aim for a balanced content strategy by mixing one or two evergreen topics with a trendy one. Don't forget to check out the Related Queries section. This is located further down the results page and offers additional insights. Keywords listed as rising are undergoing rapid growth and are often associated with trendy topics. Meanwhile, top queries reflect consistently searched terms, pointing towards evergreen topics. This dual perspective approach allows you to not only find fresh trendy angles, but also stable evergreen subtopics. Finally, plan your content mix around these findings. Use evergreen content as a solid foundation to drive long-term traffic, while trendy content can draw quick attention and create social buzz. Make it a habit to revisit Google Trends monthly. This ensures your content strategy stays current and responsive to shifts in audience interest. By following these steps, you'll stay ahead in the ever-evolving digital content space.